From mining to construction, hydraulic breakers are essential. With 20 years of experience, LICH supplies reliable breakers for global clients. Full independent production, traceable materials, and strict inspection. Annual output 20,000 units. Fully compliant with international standards. Full models for 1 to 80-ton excavators. Mini, standard, heavy-duty, silent and reinforced types for all working sites. Medium and large breakers used for 2 CRMO. Steel for long service life. High-strength accumulator and professional. Heat treatment greatly reduce malfunctions. Main core components are under warranty. Original spare parts are supplied globally. An OEM ODM customization is available for all models. 20 years of reliable quality. LICH looks forward to cooperating with global partners for mutual success.